Hey guys, it's Ron from ReveMoto. Today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to do a conversion this time. So it's going to be a 2015 Q50. We're going to convert the front bumper into a Q50S. So it's going to be a sports type front bumper. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so we're going to start off with some basic tools here. We're going to need a flathead screwdriver right here. We're going to need a 10mm. And a socket wrench. So we're going to start off at the bottom of the Q50. So right underneath, you're going to see these bolts right here. That's going to be a 10mm. It's going to go across the whole underside of the bumper. So we're going to start up on the sides. So we're going to take this off right here and all the way to the far right. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that off now. Alright, so we're gonna use our 10mm and we're gonna go from side to side, taking off those bolts. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of these bolts that you take off. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and do the bolts on the side of the bumper. Turn the wheel so you can get into this. So basically, all I did was get a flathead and kind of pry this out like this. So now you can get into the bolt right here. So it's going to be a 10mm. Let me see if I can get you guys a little bit up closer to it. Right there. So we can get a 10mm. Push this to the side. And then right there. That bolt looks like this. So again, there's one right here also on the other side. A bolt right here, but that one fell, so it's inside the bumper, so we can't take it off, but you're gonna need to take that one off also. All right, now so we're gonna pop the trunk. We're gonna need to get into the top side of the bumper. Go ahead and push this cover back a little bit. We're gonna have to take off the bolt right here. Let me show you guys that. Alright, so we're gonna have to push this cover back a little bit. Take that off. And you just come off like that. So right here, there's a bolt, a 10mm. So you're gonna use a sucker wrench to basically go ahead and take that off. Bracket comes on. So that was like right there. So let me give you guys a closer look at that bracket. So we just go ahead and pull that up. And it's right there. I'm gonna take off that bolt. So when you're putting it back on later on, it's gonna have guess like an indentation. It says RH, so that's gonna be the right hand side, and it's gonna have a left LH, that's just gonna be left hand side for the driver's side. All right, so now we're gonna get a fly head, just like that. And we're gonna have to take off this cover. And you're gonna take off these pins right here. So insert your fly head in there, push up. So this one's gonna be missing a couple of things because this one's broken. But basically just go along the front and you see these little pins like this, and also on top of the cover, so 1 and 2 right here. Right here, but this one's broken and it's gone, so after you take off all the clips, let's go ahead and remove this part. So now we can go ahead and remove the bumper. Just be careful, don't pull it too hard because you're going to have to take off the plugs for the fog light. So go to the one side, pull, take that off. Go to the other side, pull, and the top part. Remember, take it off like the bracket right here. Gotta get that click. Now, there's these clips right here in the bottom that you're gonna have to pull away so then you can take that clip off. So now that the bumper's off, go ahead and move it carefully. Now you're gonna have to remove the fog light plug. So here's that clip that I was talking about. So it just goes underneath the fender, but you just pull on it and it should come right off. So now we're gonna go ahead and take off the plug. So right here, push that down. And the plug comes off. Then you have another plug right here. So right there, go ahead and push down on it. That plug comes off. So you're gonna do that on the other side too. So again, we're gonna take off that plug. I'm gonna take this one off right here first. Yeah, so just press down on the top part and then you can release it. So again, another plug right here. So this one, instead of pushing down on it, you kind of pull up on it and then it'll release. Alright, once all the plugs are disconnected, you go ahead and pull the bumper off. Just like that. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe to us. Turn on that push notification and let us know any other conversion you guys want us to try out so we can put that video out there for you. Again, if you guys need any pre-painted auto body parts, go to ReveMoto.com for all your pre-painted auto body needs. Thank you.